My name's Dave Lou Allen. Been a resident of Sweetwater here well over 30 years. It's been run and driven constantly ever since. My wife hates it. The battery's new, the master cylinder, the motor's new, all the guts in the air conditioning system there for the fan and blower new. All my electronic boxes are recent. All the front end bushings have been replaced, put in there new, and that's one of the reasons it drives so well. The AC will just freeze you out if you want to run it. I prefer the open window.